all. My name is Mohit Chatlani. I'll be representing Team Data Dribblers from India for the Databricks Smart Insights Challenge. Uh, I am leading this effort, and Sunita and Sonali are helping me with the development part. So we have utilized the flight aviation dataset for domestic airlines in India, and we are trying to extract some insights out of it. Right. So we in the aviation sector in India, we have a lot of public datasets which are underutilized, and we don't have any consolidated view of the flight trends and the passenger complaints, and there is lack of self-service platforms for the public FAQs and the customer queries that are at the airport. So we are trying to solve this problem. We have the flight schedules data available from October 2018 to 21, the public grievance data which was taken from the AirSewa portal, and the FAQs for the from the government sources and airport services data. And I'll be going through this data in the demo. So we have created few interactive dashboards as well as Genie analysis space, which we'll be covering in the demo. So moving on. So this is our data flow or architecture. We have the data sources available. We put it into the storage layer in the Databricks volume. Then we utilize the Databricks clusters for computing and creating the delta tables in Databricks. And then on top of those delta tables, we have created our AI and BI solution, right? So these are our key modules. We have the create database, bronze layer ingestion, silver layer transformation, and then we have integrated that with AIBI. So the link to our GitHub repository is present. If you want to have a look, you can go through it. So now I'll be going to the demo quickly. So this is the website, the government website where we have the data sources available. So as you can see, we have airport services, FAQ, grievance, and flight schedule. So we put all those data sets here. I'll be going through them. So the grievance contains the aviation grievance contains the category, subcategory, the total grievances received without escalation, and a lot other metrics that we are utilizing. Then we have the FAQ where we have the FAQ question and the answer and the category of the FAQ. We have the airport services wherein we have the airport for the domestic location. Then we have the category and the services that are being provided along with the description and the phone number of the service provider. This is the flight schedule data, airline, source, destination, the day of the week, departure time, arrival time, valid from it. So we put all these data sets here in the volume, Databricks volume. Then we did an ETL over that. We created the database, the bronze layer ingestion, and the silver layer transformation. This is the data catalog where we have all the tables. So we had 4 data sets as I showed you. So these are the 4 bronze tables and the silver tables that we have ingested into the Databricks. So first we have created the flight schedule analysis dashboards. As you can see, these are the total flight schedule available, 69K. We have the top origin airports, the destination airports. As we can see, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata. So the top 6 metro cities account for more than 50% of all flight schedules. Then we have the top 10 popular routes. So as you can see, we have Delhi, Mumbai, Mumbai, Delhi, Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Bangalore. So the popular routes are also for the metro cities. Then we have the top airline by the flight schedules. As you can see, Indigo, it accounts for, more than 45% of all the operational flights. Then we have SpiceJet, Air India, Go Air, and so on. And if I move to the flight distribution by day, we can see the most people are traveling on Saturday, then Thursday, then Sunday. And most people avoid traveling on Monday as it is a work day. Then we have the airline breakdown by average flight duration. You can see here, different airlines have different flight durations. So AirAsia India, it usually operates for shorter flights, and Jetlight operate for longer flights. So that's the difference between the airlines. Moving on, we have also created the grievance analysis dashboard wherein we have the total grievances received, grievances without escalation, with escalation, uh, grievances without rating, with rating. So all these numbers, summarized numbers, are there, which the senior management can look, and they can act on these summary metrics. And look at this dashboard and work on the grievance redressal for the passengers. Then we have also created this analysis space. So basically, this is a self service portal for the customers, right? So here I can ask any question to this Genie. Let's say I need to ask this: how early should I arrive at the airport? So it will determine whatever context, and it will provide me the answer. And if I show you, so we have all these 4 data sets. The Genie has all the description of the tables and the description of the columns. Then we have also provided it the instructions, the general instruction like ignoring nulls and providing a date format. And we have also trained the Genie on few SQL queries that we think are relevant for it to learn. So for this example, I asked how early should I arrive at the airport. So it has provided me with the relevant answer that we can check with the airline or travel agent. And based on the response, we can also provide it our feedback so that it can learn from our feedback. So yeah, going back to the PPT. So what is the impact that we are creating here? So basically, all these dashboards and will help the government to plan better for the flights, and it will help them to resolve these grievances based on the summary metrics that we showed, and it's also improving the passenger experience via the self-service platform that we have created. So these were the references. Thank you.